I'll definitely have an establishment because I have so much confidence in. I have love for ICT. I'm an extra team in ICT. Yeah, my name is Muhammed. I'm a graduate of Balewa University, where I study electrical electronics engineering. It's an amazing experience so far, so good. I'm really enjoying the camp. Everything is going well. I enrolled in ICT, that is Information Communication Technology. Yeah, I've learned so much in the class, but we actually dwell on graphic design because of the time constraint. And the side class just holding for a week, and we were able to cover a lot of stuff. But so far so good for what we have covered. Yeah, I think I'm better in it now. Everly good to go because I have so much idea about the. I'll definitely have an establishment because I have so much confidence in. I have love for ICT. I'm an extra team in ICT. Camp life is about ups and downs. You experience a day you'll be tired. Some days you feel like I don't want to come out. But waking up, seeing yourself, seeing other people coming out to do the same thing every day, it gives, it's high the horizon and everybody feel amazing and very, very perfect. The experience here is very good. Whoever is coming, the next people that are coming, they should obey the law, abide the rules, everything will be fine.